Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to download iOS 16.6 public beta 2. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Open the Safari app on your iPhone. On the Safari page, search your beta.apple.com. Scroll down, tap sign up. Continue with password. Enter your password. Then wait for few seconds. Scroll down. Select Enroll your iOS device. Scroll down. Tap Download Profile. Tap on Allow. Tap Close. Then go back home page. Open the Setting app on your iPhone. Tap Profile downloaded. Tap Install. Enter your phone passcode. Again install. Tap Not Now. Tap Done. Then go back General page. Tap Software Update. iOS 16.6 public beta 2 is available. Tap Download and install to upgrade the iOS. Thanks for watching this video.